On today's episode, we're going to be fixing the body.
Like that?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hey everyone, it's Epi, the Mustang Master, and with me today is Cobra Katie.
Hi, guys.
Today, we are going to be working on the body, not this body. I look like a crossing guard with this. We're going to be working on finally the core support, fender aprons, and the firewall. We're going to start addressing that stuff. Be a couple days worth. I don't know what I just said there.
A couple days worth of fixing.
Couple days worth of fixing.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So today, I think what we're going to try and do is we're going to get everything prepped to mount the fender aprons and the core support. There's a lot of grinding and a lot of smoothing, a lot of leveling there. I shouldn't say I bought, but I borrowed a stud welder. So we're going to be welding some studs onto the firewall and start pulling that dent out. But before I do that, I got to take the air box out, take the heater core out, put that inside the car, push it in so we can get to that, and then yeah, it's kind of the first step of getting this engine bay together. Now that the engine's ready, I also, for my birthday, I decided to come out and wrench. This is my favorite activity, so I came out on my birthday and I pulled the transmission out. So that's gone. It's out of the way for the firewall, and then we can work on the firewall.
I like it.
Yeah, firewall. So anyway, let's get to it. First things first, pulling the panels out. So what we're going to do is we are going to take the flapper wheel and start getting all these little bumps out and then get all the rust out. And then we got to straighten some of these pieces out because they're kind of bent from all the prying and prodding that we did on this thing. Get this all straightened out as well, and then we'll kind of test fit the panels to see how flush they'll fit, and then should be able to move forward. And
cool.
Then we'll move to the firewall and start taking care of that. I'll do one side, and then you can do the other.
Cool.
So we got a good old flapper wheel here. I think this is what grit is this? 40 grit. 40 grit flapper wheel. This will bust all the rust off of it and get a nice smooth surface.
Corners? What's the plan for the corners?
So I got another tool for that. So it's basically this, but it's
smaller.
Smaller.
Yeah.
It's like 2 inches.
Yeah.
And I'll get into corners a lot easier.
Cool.
Because I got to get a little bit of this over here.
Yeah, and then down there too.
Yeah, and then that corner right there. And then, you know what I didn't buy is self-etching primer, which is what you want to put on there after you grind them out all in before you start welding. So, do you want to get dirty?
Sure. I'll do it.
I can find a quick dust mask.
'Tis quite dusty.
It is quite dusty. It's never been used.
I used to use one when I was pregnant and running anesthesia.
Mm.
I used one of these. There you go. Perfection. There's the button. Is this the button?
The flap. So this guy?
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good deal.
There you go.
I'll go up here first.
This is a die grinder. Most of them call them. I cut it. I don't know what I call it. I could just call it the Whizzer. Yeah, I used to call this the Whizzer. Now I got used to calling it the die grinder. That's the proper name for it. But these have these 3M roll-lock. These have these 3M roll-lock discs, and they kind of like lock into place just a little half turn. And then they have aggressive pads to them. This is the lighter of the 3 pads that are available. Actually, there might be more than 3, but the 3 popular ones anyway. There's the brown, the red, and then there's the I think the gray or the blue. It's the blue. I barely use those, but the red and the brown ones are the most aggressive you can get. And it does the same thing as the flapper wheel, just grinds metal. Okay, now it's so dusty in here, we have to open the garage door and let it vent out. Stay tuned. So our plan is we're going to try to straighten out the parts that are mangled, like down here. This is all from when we did the pulled the panels out, and sometimes they get a little crooked, so no biggie. We'll just straighten it out. You get a hammer. I don't have a dolly, so we have another hammer. So pretty easy. Use a straight edge. Just kind of get it. Doesn't have to be precise flat. It just needs to be somewhat close. So when you start welding the panel back on, you don't have to fight them too much. Mm-hmm. So this one right here.
Pretty close.
Pretty close. That's fine. I can live with that.
Good deal.
Next. So we're going to start working on this dent right here. And the first things first is we get to remove the air box. We're not going to remove it completely. I'm just going to unbolt it, push it off inside the car. There's linkages and stuff inside the car that I'm probably not going to remove. I'm just going to, because there's enough slack in it that you can just push the air box to the side. But on these cars, these heater core hoses actually go inside the car. You got to disconnect them from the inside. So I'm hoping there's no coolant left over inside of it. Otherwise, we're gonna have a little mess in there. I got some rags.
Towels, yeah.
I got some rags that can absorb some of it, so no biggie. But we'll start with that real quick, and then we can start. We're gonna have to do more grinding now that we have the door open. We can do a little bit more grinding on the firewall, so we can get the stud gut on there, and then start trying to pull it.
Cool.
Cool. Do you want to do the honors of disconnecting this ear box? So those 4 nuts around the.
Here. All right.
Perfect. Let's see here.
Catch it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, come on.
Remember how I just talked about projects taking 5 times longer just because of stupid shit?
Yep.
Well, it's in. It's in.
Okay.
You're good. Probably. Right?
Kinda. I need to get the hoses out. 'Cause
Okay.
That was the main reason why I wanted to do this.
Yeah.
We'll pull that out.
Got it.
Yay. Got one.
Yes. Maybe?
No?
No? I see.
Can you pull on it? Pull and twist?
There you go. Oh, farts.
All farts.
Wait, I can get that. I got it. Okay. We're good.
Okay. So I'm trying to crouch under some of the shot. So I actually got a nice open area from back here and the inside of the car. I'm gonna this 2x4 little mini sledge. We're gonna try to get some of this dents out this way first, and then we'll see how far we get. Then the rest of it we'll get with the dent puller, and then should be pretty straightforward from here. We'll see.
Okay. A good package.
So I'm gonna go right there.
Where? Yep. Right there.
Right there.
Yep. Hefty wax. Oh yeah. Yep, keep going.
How are we?
Keep going. That same spot's good. Yep. Yep. Better. Yep. Okay, let me do, let's go, can you push the back of the piece of wood down? Like it's pointing too much up here, if that makes sense. I need it to be down here.
No,
more.
that's it.
Okay, can we go this way?
we're
Go
gonna
that way.
flatten it like that.
Try that.
Okay, right there.
Yep. 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 Good. Okay.
Light fell.
All right. Now do that. That's fine at that angle too.
Okay.
I'm trying to get the in between the two heater core hose entry points. Yep. Go down. Right here.
there?
Go. Yep. Yep. Better. All right, let's see if we can
Up there?
see if we can do that. Because that's where that crinkle is.
Yeah.
We might just have to do crinkle with the puller, but if I can get it straighter. Yeah. That's better.
How's that looking?
Better. Yeah, that's better.
Not looking for perfection, but I want it definitely presentable.
Right. Let's try that 4 more times. Right where you are. Do that again. Yep. Okay, stop. That's good. That last hit did a really good job.
Yeah.
Come look at it here.
All right.
Like I think you're going to need the puller in more specific spots now.
Yeah.
Because I think this dent is keeping it from like staying out.
Yeah.
But look at how much better that
that's
looks.
way better.
So like you're going to need to pull this corner back out.
Yeah.
And then that'll keep this out a little bit more too.
Okay, perfect. Well, ran out of time today, but we got quite a bit accomplished. We got a lot of this dent out. I mean, quite a bit. It's actually significantly. Once I pulled the airbox out, we were able to get to it with the 2x4. And now it's just a matter of getting the little detail work. We'll use the actual like dent puller with that. And then, but that'll be a future thing. Maybe I'll do it during the week or something.
Mm-hmm.
So either way. But yeah, good progress today.
That was awesome.
Anyways, yeah, we're done for today. And then she's gonna get going. I'll get to clean up. And then we'll see you next time on this channel, Alcarods Garage. We'll see you. All right. This has been Alcarods Garage. We'll see you next time. Bye.
See ya.
3, 2. Hey, Everett.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hey. Ta-da.
Whoa. We're going to beat the car.